We've had some really great weather here for a couple days, so it's time to pull out all the parts of the bee boxes and clean them up. And while I'm at it, I'll clean around the hive area. And I'm finding all the best equipment that we have and cleaning it up, scraping all the propolis and all the burr comb off of everything. And at last, it's time to finally install the bees. Sadly, none of our bees made it through the winter, so we're starting all over again. Several weeks ago, we ordered 3 nukes of bees, and I spent part of my day yesterday driving up to pick them up. What you see right here is me opening the first box and immediately getting stung twice right through the shirt. No matter, I've got to get these bees in that box, and so I'm committed. I've got to get them in there, all the while mindful that I'm probably going to get stung a few more times if I don't hurry it up. I wait for a while to let these bees get kind of settled in, and in the meantime, I've gone back and gotten the full bee suit like I should have done the first time. This time I'm not afraid of getting stung, but there is a sense of urgency to get the bees into their new home and get them acclimated. Box number 2 is done, 2 down and 1 to go. With the good weather and the transfer, the bees are extremely active, so rather than wait this time, I just jump in and decided to go right for box number 3. By now, you might think that I have everything very efficiently organized, but if you did, you would be wrong. I forgot one frame, so I've got to run and find one real quickly that's clean and get back here as soon as I can. And that's it. I've done my part. Now the rest is up to the bees.